For us to be able to do studies in humans, we have to go through a process called IRB, or Institutional Review Board Approval. The IRB is an overseeing agency that basically looks at the protocols, ensures that these are in the best interest of our patients and that their safety is not impaired or involved, that there is no safety concerns. So they go through a fairly extensive and in-depth review. Among the things that are reviewed are not just the protocol, but also how the study is explained to our participants, and that is what the consent form is. So the idea is that the consent form will say everything that we will be doing to the participant, and that they then can decide, well, this is something that interests me or doesn't interest me, and they can still withdraw consent, even if they already signed it. So the idea is that the consent form is a mechanism for us to communicate to the patient in a standardized fashion what it is that we are doing in the research, and to ask for their voluntary participation. Once that voluntary participation takes place, we initiate the studies, but they can still leave the studies if they feel uncomfortable at any point in time. One of the things that this process ensures is that the safety of the participants is basically the most important part of the whole process, that we ensure that safety at all times. So, for example, if in the middle of the study a person gets worse or their mood worsens, there are procedures that we have to follow to ensure their safety. That is the process of review and what informed consent means.